In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create house music inside of Riffusion. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to create the music you imagine. Here you can see you can either select prompts or compose, but for this tutorial I'm gonna choose prompt right here. Then you're gonna create your prompts, and if you don't already have prompts, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description below. But let's create some house music. So we will choose some house music. You want to add deep house, relaxed feeling. We need an electric piano. We need some synth, and we want it 4x4 and between 110 to 120 BPM or beats per minute. When you're done with your prompt, you need to click create. Then Riffusion will create two versions of that song. And we can take a listen to how they sound like when they are done. And if you don't sound like house music, you can always go up to the prompts again, edit something out or in, and try to create one again. And now for the next one. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!